like them. It sucks me out of doing like them.
Hey guys, I'm back, Deb. In case you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have Ice Cream's envelope. Now, this envelope, Ice Cream is a high makeup subscription, and the bag, they have both a box and a bag, and the bag costs $12.50 plus I believe it's $3.50 or $4 for shipping. And then you get 3 to 5 items and you're guaranteed a pallet. Now, the box is $25 and you don't pay shipping, and you get, I believe it's 5 to 7 items with that. But today this one was delayed from my box, so I went ahead and did the box earlier in the month. So I just thought, well, I'll just do this and throw this up there and get it done. This is October's. This is not November's. This is October's. So, let's see what we got this month. I'm going to open it up. See if I can get everything out in one piece. I don't know that I can. Okay, here we go. And as usual, you always get your little paper saying what it is and the values. Okay. I was just being nosy there for a minute. Okay. First thing I'm getting is Let's Detox. And they are bamboo charcoal blotting sheets. And I'm sure you know what a blotting sheet is. It just takes the oil off your face. But this is what they look like. And they're just little sheets, and you just tap your skin with it. So I can just get one off. I think I got two, but it's alright. See, you can just go like this. I don't have a lot of oil on my face, but there you go, see? Got a lot more than I thought I had, huh? So I was just yelling at my friend, because as soon as I sat down here and do this, he comes busting in. Every time. It's on my nerves. So I was going out some more and didn't work today. But anyway, we'll put this back in here. Nice. Set that there, and that had a value of $12 for those sheets. They're So Susan Blush or Moi Couture blotting sheets. Moi. Okay, the next thing is Pierre Shimmer powders. They're $20. No, I'm not sure. I do not like these powders. I do not like them at all because I am not dignified enough to use them without making a mess. Looks black to me. I don't know what the heck this is supposed to be. Huh. Yeah, it says Pierre, but there's no... I mean, it's black. Why are you saying it's not? Why are you calling it shimmers? Because shimmer powders is what it says, but there's no shimmer to it. It's just black. And then we have another color. And it's purple, so this may be where the shimmer comes in, but then that's nice. The whole sticker just broke on top of the hole, so we may never get in this one. Okay, there's that one. And there's not really any shimmer to that either. It's just matte. I mean, they're fine. I just want them to call matte shades because there's no shimmer there. Absolutely no shimmer. Pierre eyeliner brush. And it's another little tiny thing that you couldn't open up. It's like, come on, people. Their packaging on Pierre has been an epic fail lately. Okay, we got this. And this is, it's angled. It's well textured, but I'll be honest with you, I think it would be easier to use if you had a little bit larger barrel on it, because it's very small. It's soft, but I'm not. So there's that, and that has something just went flying across the room. $15 value. And we got strawberry daiquiri. There was strawberry daiquiri, and some people got sangria, and I got strawberry daiquiri. So, and it was an either or, and I bet I broke it because there's a little spot there. Because I'm just so graceful. So I bet I broke it. But that's on me because I did it. Might not be broke because it's in bubble wrap, which they do pack their stuff impeccably, I will say. And ice cream is my favorite out of all the beauty boxes because it's makeup heavy. Now there is no mirror, but personally I don't think you need a mirror. If you're getting a palette, you don't need a mirror. Because you're going to be sitting in front of your mirror doing it. You know, if it was a little duo to go or something, that'd be different. Here's the colors. You look at that bright pink. I got to. I wasn't going to swatch today. Because, you know, I got so many open and... Just plum. Ooh, that's very pretty on her. It's not what I expected. Ooh, this is heavy glitter. Ooh, holographic is what it is. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. See it there? It's right there. And it's very holographic. I like that. But my grandkids will probably steal it from me. There's a red. I've never really used reds often. But I think I might start trying. Gotta do it before the kids come back, though. Because you'll never see it again. And that has a value of $18. I like that one. Very Christmassy colors. So, what'd you think of that one? Yeah, if you're new here, hey, come on back and join us. Normally I do the box and the bag together because it makes for a little bit longer video. But since I didn't want to wait, because I wanted to play. So come on back and join us. Like and subscribe. Hey, we're getting bigger every day. We'd love to have you. Bye.